According to Modular Grid, the second most popular module in Eurorack is Clouds from Mutable Instruments. The loved, sometimes maligned module is a go-to for granular synthesis and reverb. But the recently released Kammerl alternative firmware has given new energy to this not-so-old favorite. The new firmware brings two new modes: beat repeat for looping and slicing audio sources, and spectral clouds mode, which we will look at in another video. The beat repeat mode is a port of a software plugin by Justin Kammerl for slicing and mangling audio sent to the input. By sending a sequence or loop-based audio signal to the input, as well as a clock signal to the trigger input on Clouds, beat repeat mode can slice and then loop, detune, reverse, and distort each slice. I'll route a beat generated by the Variegate 8 and some mixed drum modules to Clouds input, as well as the clock out CV output from the Variegate to the Clouds trigger input. By enabling the freeze button, every beat will be sliced and then looped whenever a clock pulse is received. The position knob and CV set the start time of the looping, with the option to delay the looping until after the slice starts playing. The size knob and CV control the length of the loop within that slice. Both are based on divisions of beats. If loop start is set to the beginning of the slice, we can get some great robotic, glitchy effects by modulating the loop size. If we increase the loop start time, the first chunk of unlooped slice can be heard. These two controls are closely connected. The density knob controls an envelope, which lengthens the loop size towards the end of the slice, creating a bouncing ball effect as the microloop grows. The pitch control acts like a tape or turntable pitch knob, but only detunes down in pitch, stretching the slices out as well. Set fully to the right, the pitch of each slice will be unchanged. The texture knob and CV are disconnected, each performing a separate function. The CV input acts as an address control, selecting between the last 8 slices most recently passed through the module. This can be used to hop between and reorder slices for creative beat chopping and rearranging effects. The texture knob can also offset which slice is being heard, randomizing slice position at 100%. The blend modes also have dramatic effect on the resulting beat manipulation. The first blend mode controls the probability that a slice will be looped, up to 100%. The second blend mode is a clock divider for the incoming trigger signal, with half, quarter, and eighth clock divisions. These will also affect the relative loop size and start times. The third blend mode controls slice pitch modulation with 5 settings: off or no pitch modulation, reverse, modulating down in pitch, modulating up in pitch, and modulation in the shape of a sine wave LFO. The final mode enables a beat feedback delay, handy for rolls and more glitchiness. mode is incredibly complex, and results can vary depending on tempo and source material. The Spectral Clouds mode is equally exciting, so we'll take a look at that in a future video. How are you destroying your modular beats? Tell us about it in the comments. Thanks for watching and sharing. As always, please like, follow, and subscribe for details about Voltage Control Lab's new physical location in Los Angeles, and much, much more. And remember, patch smarter.